We have developed the leading software in Portugal for the food and beverage sector. And in addition to ZS REST, we also developed softwares and solutions designed specifically to take the restaurant sector far beyond customer service. From fully contactless orders and payments, restaurant management solutions, to integrations with the main takeaway and delivery platforms. And all this without losing focus on reliability and ease of use. Developed to be reliable, easy to use, and with all the features your business needs, ZS REST is the software that is constantly evolving for your restaurant to get better and better. From 100% integration with platforms like Uber Eats and Glovo, to ordering, payments, and invoicing at the table to increase the productivity and table rotation, ZS REST is your choice. Thanks to our hybrid cloud mechanism, the whole environment of the business can be managed and monitored remotely from any device all around the globe through the internet. Please watch the video till the end, and in case you need more information, drop a message and let us know how we can help.